How to change server in Genshin Impact without losing your data. Unfortunately, this is not possible. Here's why you can't transfer data. Each server has its own unique database, and there's no way to directly connect or merge them. Transferring data between servers would be complex technical feat, requiring a lot of resources and potentially causing server instability. Allowing players to freely transfer data between servers could disrupt the game's balance by creating an uneven distribution of players and resources. What to do instead? If you have option to choose a server at the start of the game, take your time and consider factors like your location, friend servers, and server population. You can transfer your saved data between different devices, PC, Android, iOS, within the same server using a MiHoYo account. And lastly, stay updated. Keep an eye on official announcements and updates, as the developers might introduce server transfer features in the future. While it's disappointing that server transfers aren't currently possible, it is important to understand the reasons behind this limitation.